how to create a Google ad audience based off your YouTube channel. This is a very, very powerful tool to leverage whatever traction you might be getting on your YouTube channel into other areas on the Google Ad network. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create these YouTube engagement audiences, and it's really not that hard. I'm going to walk you through step by step. If you liked this video, don't forget, hit that thumbs icon and subscribe. Let's go do this. So firstly, I'm going to assume that you have already connected your YouTube channel to your Google Ad account, and therefore they are going to talk nicely to each other. So what we're going to do is we're going to dive right into our Google Ad account, and here we are in our Google Ad account, and I've gone to the Tools section, and under the Shared Library, we've gone to Audience Manager. Now there's a bunch of different audiences that you can create. You can create an audience of people who've been to your website, or as mentioned, the one we're going to show you in this video is an audience of people who have maybe watched any of your YouTube video, that you can create an audience of these people and then leverage that audience onto, let's say, a Google search campaign, which is one of my favorite strategies. So we're going to go here and we're going to click this plus icon, and these are obviously all the different types of audiences that we can create, and we're going to do YouTube users. I'm going to hold off giving my segment a name for now because I like to name my audience whatever is the definition of whatever audience I'm trying to create here. So here we can select the channel, and obviously I've got my Teach Traffic channel that you're watching now on this video, and here is where we're going to define who we want to be in this audience. If I click on here, you'll see these are all the different ways that I can create an audience. So I can create an audience of people who have viewed any video, an audience of people who viewed specific videos. So maybe my channel is about Google ads and Facebook ads, and maybe I want to segment these audiences. So I can create one audience of people who've watched any videos to do with Google ads, and I can create a different audience of people who've watched anything to do with Facebook ads, and therefore segment these people. I can create an audience of people who viewed any video as an ad. So it's kind of like retargeting anyone who's watched my ads or specific videos as ads. I can create a separate audience of people who are my subscribers, which is probably a good idea to do. People who visited my channel page, who've liked any video, added any video to a playlist, or have shared any video. And obviously, depending on the level of traction with your channel, that will depend on really the size of these audiences. So I'm going to keep it as vanilla as possible for now. So I'm just going to click on viewed any video, and here is where we need to define the duration from the past number of days that it will populate. So the default here is 30, but you can make it the largest size, which is 540 days. So you can create an audience of people who've viewed any video in the past 540 days. And then we're going to give our audience that name. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to say 90 days, and then I'm going to name my audience YouTube, and then viewed any video, and I always put the duration in my name so it's easy for me to find at a later date. Lastly, you've got these pre-fill options here. So if I click on this, you can elect that it will backfill this audience within the last 30 days for anybody who has satisfied this condition, or I can select for it to start with an empty segment. So from zero from today onwards, or it will backfill for the past 30 days. So if I choose this one, I've still got to wait 60 more days for it to populate for the entire 90 days. So it's a good idea to leave this selected, and then we can click continue. And it will take a little bit to populate. So here it's saying it has been done, which is great. And as you can see here is my new audience that has been created, and it's going to take some time to populate. Here I've got an example of one that I've created. So all YouTube viewers, 540 days. So I've got 71,000 people that I could possibly show an ad to on the search network. I've got 110,000 people I could on YouTube. You're not allowed to do display anymore, but I've got 55,000 people that I could do a Gmail campaign for. So there you have it. That's how easy it is to create these YouTube engagement audiences in your Google Ad account. And make sure you check out my other videos where I show you how you can create a search campaign targeting only those people in that audience. Very, very powerful. If you like this video, don't forget, hit that thumbs icon and subscribe, and maybe check out my website, teachtraffic.com as well. Thanks for watching.